doesn't matter, the kids are not singing this song. Okay, they're singing their own song. This is just the tune.
Green, orange and purple and blue.
All right. Little grey bird, 1, 2, 3.
The little grey bird.
Once upon a time, in a deep forest lived a happy little grey bird. His home was a nest in a very tall oak tree. The little grey bird loved to dance. The little grey bird loved to sing.
Do, re, mi.
And he loved to fix things. He was very kind and caring little bird who loved to be friendly, share his talents, and be helpful to his friends. Every morning, when the sun rose and the world woke up, the little grey bird would fly to his friends and greet them. He would fly to the red roses and tell them how beautiful they are.
Ooh, thank you, little red bird.
Then he would fly to the sun to wave hello to him.
Sunshine, sunshine, thank you, little grey bird. Ha 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 ha.
Then he would fly across to the bright blue sea, singing a merry song as he flew.
Wish, whoosh, wish, whoosh. Thank you, little grey bird.
Then he would fly down to the grass and wish him a wonderful day.
Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Thank you, little grey bird.
Then he would waltz with the purple butterflies because they loved dancing.
Flitter, flutter, flitter, flutter. Thank you, little grey bird.
And lastly unfold the orange maple leaves so they could show off their splendor.
Swish, sway, swish, sway. Thank you, little grey bird.
He did this every morning to ensure all of his friends were happy. But as time went on, the little grey bird started to feel sad. He was grey from top to tail, but he loved all the colors. He wished he could have brightly colored feathers of his own. He looked up to the night sky and the twinkling stars. He looked up at the brightest star and made a wish with all his little bird heart and said,
I wish I could be colourful too.
One morning, he had a brilliant idea. He would ask his color friends for a little of their colors so he could be more colorful. He had always been so kind to them, so surely they would be more happy to help him. He flew to the roses and asked them,
Please, can I have a bit of your colour for my feathers? We don't want to share our colours with you.
So he flew up to the yellow sun and asked,
Please, can I have a bit of your colour for my feathers?
Ha ha ha. I don't want to share my colors with you. Ha ha ha.
The little grey bird was sad, but he didn't give up. He flew across to the blue sea and asked,
Please,
got worse, the butterflies were thrown about, and the orange maple leaves clung to their branches. Oh, sorry, and the grass swayed. Then the storm stopped, the clouds cleared, and the sun came out, warming the earth and all its creatures. The little grey bird was still in hiding, afraid and sad after the storm. Then suddenly he heard a voice. When he looked up, he saw the most amazing sight.
Wow! A rainbow!
And the rainbow said,
Oh, little grey bird, why are you crying? I want some colour for my feathers.
the little grey bird explained how much he loved all the colours and asked his friends, but they all refused to help.
You are so kind to everyone. You can have some of my colours.
The little grey bird was so happy he jumped off his branch and flew to the rainbow to thank him. The rainbow spun with the little grey bird around. And around as he did all of this, the colours of the rainbow landed on his feet, and he became the rainbow bird.
Who passed?
Okay. They clapped and cheered him on.
He flew past the roses.
He flew past the roses, the sun and the grass, the butterflies and the leaves, showing him them his new colored feathers. They thought he was the most beautiful bird they'd ever seen. They clapped and cheered for him. They felt so guilty for not sharing their colors with him because he had always been such a good friend to them. They said,
We're so sorry. We didn't share our colors with you. We've been so selfish.
the rainbow bird forgave their selfishness as he realized that he had learned from their lesson. From that day on, his friends were always helpful to him in return. The roses told him he was beautiful.
You are so beautiful.
The sun smiled and greeted his friend.
Hello, rainbow bird.
The sea sang a beautiful song.
Do-re-mi.
The grass waved their blades, wishing him a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day.
The butterflies danced for their friend.
Flitter-flutter, flitter-flutter.
The leaves flattened themselves to keep him cool from the rain of